Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for English 3, Quarter 2, Week 7, Day 2. Our topic for today is describing words and drawing conclusion. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Good day, everyone. I hope you are all doing great. Before we begin with our new lesson, we will review the previous topic to make sure that you have understood everything properly. The teacher will provide the review activity. Lesson purpose intention. Today, you will practice reading familiar words from a text. You will also use describing words to share your ideas. Finally, you will learn how to use clues from the text to figure out answers and make smart guesses. Lesson language practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Reading the key idea stem. Why is snake plant a household favorite? Sansevieria trispasciata is a popular plant in the Philippines. It has long, pointed leaves that look like swords, usually dark green with light stripes. Though it rarely blooms, it sometimes grows small, white or greenish flowers. Snake plants are very popular because they thrive in the country's warm and humid climate. They are often seen in gardens, homes, and public spaces since they are low maintenance and help purify the air. These plants absorb harmful chemicals and release oxygen, making them great for indoor spaces. Some believe they have medicinal benefits, but this is not scientifically proven. Maintaining snake plants is very easy. They only need water when the soil is dry to prevent root rot. For sunlight, they prepare bright, indirect light, and well-draining soil helps avoid excess moisture. Strong, beautiful, and beneficial, the snake plant is a great addition to any home or garden. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Direction. Read each sentence. Write yes if it is true based on the text and write no if it is not. Here are the questions and the provided answer. deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Read the question and express your ideas using the complete sentence. Number 1. Why do people keep plants inside their homes? Number 2. How do plants make a place more beautiful? Number 3. What plant would you like to grow at home? Here are the possible answers. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes or gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. It tells us about the qualities, size, color, shape, number, or other feature of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, in the phrase big house, the word big is an adjective because it describes the house. Adjectives help make sentences more interesting and clear by adding details. Example, the bright sun warms the sandy beach. Bright is a descriptive word of the sun. Sandy is a descriptive word of beach. She wore a beautiful red dress to the party. The adjectives are beautiful, red. The tall tree has long green leaves. The adjectives are tall, long, green. The friendly dog wagged its fluffy tail. The adjectives are friendly, fluffy. I found a shiny, smooth stone by the river. The adjectives are shiny, smooth. Making generalization and abstraction. Read the sentence below and complete it with your idea. Evaluating learning. Direction. Read each question carefully and choose the correct answer. Here are the correct answer. For your homework, find a plant at home or outside. Then do these two simple tasks. Number 1. Describe it. Write 3 words that tell how the plants look. Sample: green, tall, soft. Number 2. What can you guess? Write 1 sentence about what you think the plant needs. Example: this plant needs sunlight to grow.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!